All right, we're going to continue our social studies packet, but before we do that, we're going to read lesson 3 in our book. So go to page 26 in your book. Say we're still working on chapter 1, but we're doing lesson 3. It says human-made features, okay? When you look outdoors, what features of your community do you see? You may notice some physical features, a hill or a river. You might also see things people have made, such as a bridge or a building. Things that people add to a landscape are called human-made features. Your school, your home, and the street you live on are all human-made features. Okay. For example, that bridge, that's a human-made feature. Okay. So where people build. Okay. When people first came to California, they built communities in places that have fresh water and good soil. They traded with people around them. To trade means to exchange one thing for another. Okay? So when you're trading Pokemon cards, right? Over time, these communities grew. To see where communities in California are today, look at the photograph to the right here. Okay, this is a photograph like if you were watching it from space. Okay. It says to see where communities in California are today, look at the photograph to the right, taken from space. The lights show where people have built towns and communities. Notice that many communities are near the ocean. See? There's a little piece of water right here. You notice that they're all here, plus these. The bright lights are near the ocean. It says buildings and roads. When people move to a place, they add buildings to it. Perhaps they want to live near a river or a particular landform, so they decide to build their homes there. New towns begin with homes for people to live in and buildings to work in. In time, some communities also build parks and other places where people can have fun. Okay. This is what we call the Urban Freeways, is the name of a painting by California artist Wayne Theobald. Okay. You see freeways like this, like when you're in LA, Los Angeles, right? So much of California is covered with roads, bridges, and railroad tracks. These paths between one place and another make the movement of people, goods, and ideas or transportation possible. Okay? So basically, in summary, human-made features are things that people add to a landscape. Buildings, roads, bridges, and railroad tracks are some human-made features. And here's a fun fact of the picture that you see above. Lombard Street, that's what it's called. Lombard Street in San Francisco is very steep and crooked. Is very steep and crooked. Tourists travel many miles to drive on the street. And actually, I have been on it before. You got to be very careful because steep means that it's like this. So this is not steep, right? So this is steep. Okay. They're not that steep, but they're about like this because it's on a hill. It's on a hill. So when they're driving, you got to be very, very careful. All right. Go to this. We did this page already. This one right here. Go to this page right here. Okay. It says human-made features. Look at the picture. Find 4 features that people have added to the landscape. Then write how each human-made feature helps people. Okay. All right. So look at the picture there. So what's a human-made feature that you see in the picture? A what? A train? What the train is on? So train tracks. Good. What's another one? Okay, building. What kind of building? So, okay, hold on. So somebody said a school. It looks like might be a gas station, right? Grayson? A what? A car? Okay. How about the road that's on the car is on? Okay. How does the train tracks help people? Aiden? Sorry, JD? Okay. So train tracks help people. Hold on. It helps people travel from one place to another, right? What do schools do? Scarlett? Yes. They help people learn. Okay. How about a gas station? Well, not just people, not just students. Could be adults too, depending on what school it is. How about a gas station? Grayson? Okay. People can fill up their vehicles. Okay, so a gas station, people fill up their vehicles. Okay. And how about the road? Riley? Okay. People drive their vehicles on it and travel to places.